Yes, good morning, children. So
Good
here,
morning,
welcome back to
ma'am.
my
Good
class.
morning.
And here we can start today's topic. And which chapter, what is the name of the chapter which we are learning now?
Nervous system.
Nervous system. So let me ask, I think we just introduced that system, isn't it? In the previous class, I introduced that portion. So let me ask you, hmm, uh, which organ system? Those I will ask question to some of the students, those only to answer. Okay. When I am asking question, you just think. hmm, So, what is the name of the organ system that controls all the body functions in our body? Name of the organ system that controls all the functions in our body. Evangel.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is the name of that organ system?
Brain.
Organ system. So, children,
Respiratory system.
Ma'am,
who told it?
Nora. Sahar. Ma'am,
Sahal,
nervous
I am
system.
asking about the name of
Ma'am, nervous system.
nervous system. Maybe the time is different. That is why you are giving wrong answers. Isn't it? You are, yeah. So here it is nervous system. Isn't it? Nervous system. It controls all the functions in our body.
What?
And another thing, Leonardo, okay, tell me, what are the organs in nervous system? Organs in nervous system. Organs.
Brain.
Hmm.
Mammograph present. Spinal cord.
Okay.
Mammograph is present.
Nerves. Okay. Brain, spinal cord, and the nerves. These are the, Ekaraj, I can hear you. These are the organs that present in the nervous system. Hmm? And we learned about the brain, isn't it? Brain is a where we can see this brain. Is it Rishu? Ridu, no? So Ridu, tell me where we can see this brain, where it is situated.
Ma'am, in the head.
Okay, in the head. Okay, Len, tell me. It is brain is protected. Our brain is protected by
Skull. Skull.
okay, skull. Skull is the framework of bones, isn't it? So, say two parts are there, two lobes are there for brain. Each lobe is what it is controlling. It is controlling some other functions, no? Different function. That all I told it. Left side, right side, just for the information. And what is the weight of Shabari? What is the weight of our brain? What is the weight of our brain? It weighs. Yes, Noel.
1.5 kg.
Ma'am,
One.
1.5 kg.
Okay, 1.5 kg. So this all we explain. So let me start today's class. Nervous system, then the parts, then the brain. I think spinal cord also, isn't it? Did we?
We didn't start the nerves.
Okay. Only we want to start the nerves. Okay. So before that, let me ask you spinal cord. Spinal cord is, Len, can you tell me what is meant by spinal cord?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. What is meant by spinal cord?
It is a bundle of
Yes.
nervous
Yes, Payal is answering
originates.
it. But spinal cord means bundle of nerves. See, children, some are mistaking. Okay, mistaking the spinal cord and the backbone. Both are different. Brain and skull, are they same?
No.
No.
Brain is the organ. See, listen carefully. I will include questions based on this also. Okay. So listen carefully. Brain and skull, are they same?
No.
Brain is an
Brain
organ.
is a organ.
Okay, Payal, what about the skull?
What, ma'am?
What about the skull? Skull is a framework of bone that
Framework of the
protects
bone.
brain. That protects brain. Am I correct?
Yes,
Am I correct?
ma'am.
Okay. So in the same way, lungs and rib cage, are they same?
No.
Okay, lungs, windpipe.
Organ.
Okay, Aiden. Okay, let me get the answer from Aiden. Yes, Aiden. Are these same? Okay, what is the difference? Tell me.
Lungs is a organ,
Is an organ. Is an organ.
and ribcage protects that organ.
Okay, lungs, windpipe, heart, these all organs, internal organs are protected by the framework of bone called rib cage, isn't it? So in the same way, this brain, which it is the spinal cord and the backbone, are they same, children? Are they same? No, they are different. They are different. So just to clarify that one, spinal cord means bundle of nerves originating from the lower part of the brain. Okay. Spinal cord. Whenever I am asking question, I should get the answer like this. What is meant by spinal cord? Bundle of nerves originate from the lower part of the brain. And what is backbone? Here you can see backbone is a part of skeleton. Backbone is a part of the framework of bones. Okay. Backbone is a part of framework of bone called skeleton. Okay. Spinal cord. Nia, what is meant by spinal cord?
Spinal cord. It is a bundle of nerves.
Okay, Krishnesh, what is meant by spinal cord?
It is a bundle of nerves.
What is meant by bundle, Krishnesh? Bundle, what is meant by bundle? Chabari. Yes, Chabari, tell me, what is meant by bundle?
Ma'am, dress.
Sorry? Say it. Say, children, as you are using a laptop, so not a laptop, desktop. Okay, Nora is ready to. Okay.
Full set or
Nora, tell me what is meant by bundle. Yeah, lot of wires-like structure, isn't it? Bundle means lot of wires. See, can you see it? I am showing this one. Okay, so many wires. If I am making it here like this.
We cannot see.
Now is it okay? It is
Yeah.
a small bundle, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wait. Here something is there. Let me try to show it, okay? It's not possible to show it here.
Ma'am, you just turned the camera.
Can you
Yeah,
see this?
ma'am,
It
we
is
can see.
bundle of wires. Can you see that, children?
Yes,
ma'am.
It is a small bundle. Okay? It is a small bundle of wires. In the same, understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here, in the same way, there are bundles of nerves are there. Nerves means just like wires. I told in the electrification in your house, through the plastic pipes. So many colored pipes are passing. Green, red, yellow, like that. So many colored wires are passing. They are all made it into one bundle and enclosed by the pipe. Isn't it? In the same way. Yes, somebody is showing something. Is it a Binu?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, are you in car?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So she is showing bundle of wires there. Isn't it? Okay, understood. So you should understand what is meant by bundle. Bundle means a lot of things together that makes a bundle. In the same way, in our body, wire-like structures are there. These are passing the message from brain to different parts of our body, from different parts of body to back to brain. That wires are called nerves. Is that messages passing through a single nerve? No. See, in the picture, you can see a lot of nerves here, isn't it? You can see a lot of nerves. So, such nerves, as when it is originating from the brain, it is formed like a bundle. You can see it here through this is called bundle of nerves. That bundle is called spinal cord. And the spinal cord, it is enclosed, protected and closed by which organ, which part? Backbone. So here in the second picture, you can see the backbone here. As the plastic wires are enclosing the electrical wires in it, in the same way, this backbone is protecting, enclosing the spinal cord in it. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is meant by bundle? What is the name of? Let me ask to Payal. I think Payal today, she is sleeping. Huh? Are you? Huh? So Payal, tell me, what is the name of the bundle of nerves originating from the brain?
Spinal cord.
Alvina, what is meant by spinal cord?
A bundle of nerves originating from the lower part of the brain.
Okay. So Algan Ajay, what it is originating from the lower part of our brain?
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord. Okay, so clear? 3 questions are there. And next question. Asin, our spinal cord is protected by which part? Spinal cord is protected by?
Ma'am, can I?
Wait. Say it. Asin, say it fast. Ritu, tell me, our spinal cord is protected by?
Backbone.
Asin, where are you now? So our spinal cord is protected by? Unmute and tell me. Yes. I can't hear you. Okay. Backbone. It is enclosed by backbone. Another question. Nora, our backbone is protecting which organ?
Spinal cord.
Is it clear? Another question to Ethan. Which looks like the tail of our brain?
Ma'am, spinal cord.
Is it clear, children? So from that spinal cord, how many questions we made? In the same way, you have to understand. Akshaj, what is meant by spinal cord, Akshaj?
Membrane.
What is meant by spinal cord? Akshaj, those who know the answer, please raise your hand. Let me see. Akshaj, what is meant by spinal cord?
Ma'am.
Don't unmute. Ekraj, what is meant by spinal cord, Ekraj? All others keep it down. All others keep it down. Ekraj, tell me, what is meant by spinal cord? Tonio, what is meant by spinal cord?
Bundle of nerves.
So what is the use of showing these all? Huh? Sometimes when you read, you may feel doubt in that word bundle. That is why I showed it. Bundle of wires are here. In the same way, bundles of wire-like nerves are there in our body. That is called spinal cord. So I hope you have to listen carefully, okay? Along the way, what is the function of this spinal cord? The spinal
It
cord,
passes the message through.
yeah, message from the, it is like a highway, isn't it? This is like a highway. What is the use of highway? Have you now I know you are not traveling. See, what is the use of highways, national highways? Okay, Binnu is the right person. Yes, Binnu, tell me. Yes, tell me.
Yesterday I tried. I go highway.
Okay, you traveled. So highways through the, what is the use of highways?
It
Vehicles.
leads the road.
Four vehicles
can pass through there.
can pass through.
There.
Road.
We can go east.
These are the highways are the important roads, isn't it?
Yes.
Highways are the important roads connecting different districts, connecting different states. Am I correct? Huh? So many roads are there. See, when you are coming to school, you can come through small roads, isn't it? You can use small roads. But those roads are not important. When we keep the location, Google map and all, we will get only these highways. Yes, I know small roads also we can get. See, but these highways, very important because they are the main roads that connect in different places. In the same way, this spinal cord, you compare this spinal cord to a highway that connects, who can say? Spinal cord is a highway that connects, yes, that connects Ritu. Yes, Ritu. Oh, no,
Nervous system.
no.
Ma'am,
Can say.
Ma'am, brain.
Payal.
Important places.
Okay, so spinal cord is connecting important places like Himachal Pradesh, Jammu, Kashmir, like that.
And
Different
Different
body
organs.
parts.
Nervous
Body parts.
Organs.
Okay, see which are the important
Different
parts?
body
Brain
parts.
and different body parts. Isn't it? Brain
Yes,
and
ma'am.
so through the spinal cord, messages are passing from the brain to different parts of our body and from different parts of body to brain. Okay, I told if I want to raise my left hand, I should get message from my brain.
left.
Somebody should carry that message from brain, isn't it? Who will carry that? First, the brain is connected to spinal cord. From the spinal cord, the nerves connected from the spinal cord to different parts of our body. Likewise, it may pass. Okay, from say if we want to go to Karnataka, for example, from Kerala to Karnataka, if we want to go, first we have to take small roads that leads to the highway, isn't it? From our house. Once we reach on to the highway, we have to travel straight through that highway to Karnataka state. That highway will lead us to that state. There, if we want to go from in Karnataka, so many places are there. Mysore, Bangalore, like that. So through the national highway, it is connecting small roads. So we can deviate to that direction using that small roads and we can go to our destination. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
In the same way, brain and the organs, our different parts, hand, legs, these all. Okay. So who is the spinal cord is connecting or sending message from brain and From the spinal cord, it is going to different parts.
Nerves.
Different parts of our body. It is very important. Is there any doubt, children?
No.
Is there any doubt? So here you can see from the brain, it is connected that national highway. Then it is branched. That national highway, that means the spinal cord is branched. And each nerve is passing through different organ. Some nerves are passing through the shoulder. Some nerves are passing through the hand. Some nerves are going to the
Legs.
isn't it? So these are connected. The nerves are connecting all over the body to the
Body.
brain. Mainly through this spinal cord. Is it clear, children? Along the way, the nerves branch out from the spinal cord just like the branches of a tree trunk. That is, if I'm rubbing this picture, you may feel it. It is like a tree. So shall I go to the next topic? Nerves.
Yes.
Nerves are like wires. Okay. See, children, when you are in 9th standard or in 10th standard, you will learn in detail about the nerves. Okay. Some more features are there for the nerves that you will learn it there. Now, just understand it is like the electrical wires that are passing electricity through them.
To the body.
Okay. Electrical, just like I am comparing this to electrical wires just carrying electricity. The messages also are passing like an electric spark. That you will learn it in the higher class. Okay, I am not, I don't want to confuse you. So here first, learn about the nerves. The nerves are like wires. They are spread in our entire body like a spider's web. It is very easy, isn't it? Ekaraj, unmute. Ekaraj, unmute fast. Don't waste time. Not able to unmute. Akshat, tell me what it is looks like the spider's web in our body.
And bundles of wire.
Is it, what is the name of that bundles of wires? Bundle of wire, you can see it here only, no? At the middle. Akshat.
Yes.
So all over the body, what you can see, a network of wires. Can you see that one?
Yes.
Okay. So what it looks like a spider's web.
Wire.
Wires. Here the name for the wires is. Wait. Here the name for the wires is.
Nose.
No. Very good. Very good. Okay. So what it looks like spider's web in our body?
Nose.
Akshat, what it looks like spider's web in our body?
Nose.
Nerves. Okay. So once again repeat it. What it looks like spider's web in our body?
Nose.
Is it clear? Is it
Yes.
clear? So I hope it is clear to all. I am again and again repeating why it is. See, these all the single questions you will miss that one during the exam. Okay, so these all are very important point. That is why I am again and again it is repeat. Next one, Krishnesh. What
Yes,
it
ma'am.
looks like? What it looks like spider's web in our body?
It's like a nerve.
Okay, tell me the answer. What looks spider's web in our body? You told the correct answer, but in a sentence, something you added in it. What is that?
Ma'am, nerves.
Nerves. Okay, no doubt. That is the nerves. So, Krishnesh, one more doubt. What is this bundle of nerves called?
Spinal cord.
Say
Spinal
it
cord.
confidently.
Spi-
Say it.
Spinal cord.
Okay, Shabari, what is the name of that bundle of nerves?
Spinal cord.
What looks like a spider's web in our body?
Nerves.
Spider's web. It is like a web.
Nose.
I want to get the answer from Shabari.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am. Nose.
Yes, why you have doubt, children? Why you have doubt? See, it is like the brain. From the brain, bundles of nerves are originating. Just think, it is the trunk of a tree. From the spinal cord, bundles are there. Bundles of nerves are there. So from that, in between these backbones or in spinal cord, some nerves are coming out of it, and it is entering into different body parts. When it comes from the spinal cord and when it comes from the spinal cord and when it spread on all over our body, that nerves looks like web, spider's web. Then the nerves look like spider's web. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Sabari, so what it is look like a spider's web?
Nerve.
Say it clearly. What it looks like?
Nose.
Nerves. Nerves. The beginning itself, I told I should not get nervous like that. Okay. Nerves I want. So children, these are all about our nerves. What is the function of the nerves? We can see now. They connect. Nerves connect different body parts and organs to the spinal cord and to the brain. So through these nerves are connecting. They are making a connection between different body parts and organs to different parts, organs and to the spinal cord and to the brain. So these are connected to spinal cord. Spinal cord is connected to brain, isn't it? So these are the functions of the nerves. Got it? So now take the workbook. Few minutes are there. Take the workbook.
You take that
Okay, I will take it. I will take it. Nervous system.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me,
Page
ma'am.
number 9. Page number 9. First question. Nainika, read the first question. Ananda Krishnan, Sahil, Asin, Leon, Faris, switch on your videos. Ekaraj went for in search of his workbook, I think.
Each of the following is long and
Wait, Nainika, wait. See, are you ready, children, for answering these questions?
Yes.
Okay, Nainika, read the first question.
of the following is long and thin like a pipe and starts from the lower part of the brain.
Options.
Option A, spinal pipe. Option B, spinal cord. Option C, nervous system. Option D, backbone.
Okay, so food pipe, spinal, cord, nervous system, backbone. 4 options are given in that, which is long and thin, starts from the lower part of the brain. Tonio,
Backbone.
Tonio,
Spinal cord.
which one?
Spinal cord.
Is it correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so answer is B. Tick mark on B and write it there, B.
The first one.
First one's answer is B. Hasib, read the second question.
Ma'am, I can read.
Hasib, read the second question.
I can read.
Wait. Why you are not reading?
Organ system which control all
Hasib,
function.
you don't have workbook?
No, ma'am. Has don't have the workbook.
Ma'am, Aiden can read.
Aiden, read it.
Name the organ system which controls the all body functions.
Options.
Option A, nervous system. Option B, muscular system. Option C, digestive system. Option D,
Excretory system. Yes.
excretory system.
Excretory. Okay. So which is the system here?
Nervous system.
Nervous system.
A. Option A. Nervous system. I'll read the third one.
Okay, ma'am. The dash are thread-like structures that form part of nervous system.
Thread-like structures, wire-like structure. What it is?
Right?
Yes.
Nerves.
Nerves. Third one answer is nerves. I hope you know the spelling. Isn't it? Nerves. Okay.
N-E-S.
Niranjan, read the fourth one.
Looks like a long tail of the brain.
Okay, so read it loud and clearly.
The dash looks like a long tail of the brain. Spinal cord.
Spinal cord. Is it correct? The spinal cord looks like a long tail of the brain. Nora, fifth one.
What protects the brain? The skull protects the brain.
Okay, the skull protects the brain. Either you can write skull or you can write it in sentence. The skull protects the brain. Next one. Sahel, do you have the workbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read the last one, sixth one.
What encloses the spinal cord? Nerves. Nerves.
And what is the fourth question, ma'am?
Wait, Evangel. Sahel,
Nerves.
what encloses the spinal cord? What it covers? Encloses means covers. What it covers the spinal cord? Akshaj? Skull. Very good. You are in which world?
Backbone.
Backbone. Spinal cord is covered by backbone. Some are sitting in a dream world. How many times it is explained? These all are, I think these all are very simple. Okay, anyhow, be attentive in the classes. Okay, children. So now it is the time to wind up. I will take the attendance after this. Okay, so bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.